Jaromsz here. For today's video,
We're going to Megaworld The Upper East. See you!
The newest and modern district in the City of Smiles, Bacolod. This place used to be the old Bacolod Marcia Mill District, pero ngayon it's transforming into a modern township, parang mini Makati pero may Bacolod charm. At dahil umulan nga at nakita namin na nag-aayos pa yung mga vendors kaya bumalik na lang kami nung gabi na. Marketplace here starts at 4 p.m. During Mascara Festival kami pumunta so ito yung itsura niya dahil sa Maskanamit Food Fair. Meron din silang pet park dito but not sure if this is free. May condos, cafes, and offices na dito and soon the Upper East Mall yung itatayo dito. The Upper East feels like the new face of Bacolod, modern, elegant, and full of life. Ang ganda ng vibe dito, wide roads and lots of new buildings coming. So if you're in Bacolod, don't forget to check out the Upper East, a glimpse of the city's bright and beautiful future.
so that's it for today. See you on the next station. Bye.